What should you do when you fail at first? Answer. One should not give up and should try again when failing at first. The poem encourages to keep trying with courage and perseverance whenever facing failure. Margin question 2. When do we generally feel ashamed? Answer. We generally feel ashamed when we fail or do not succeed, especially after trying once or twice. However, the poem says that there is no disgrace in striving and failing, so long as one keeps trying. Margin question 3. What rules must be always kept in mind? Answer. The rules that must always be kept in mind are to persevere, keep trying, strive, work hard, and be patient. Have the capacity to accept delay without losing hope. The main message is try again no matter the obstacle. Here are the answers to the English workshop based on the poem Try Again. 1. Anagrams from the poem. 1. Rainy, tag. Try again. 2. Hour, cage. Courage. 3. Wet, strive. 4. Red, raw. Reward. 5. Tab, knees. Patience. 6. Serve, peer. Persevere. 2. Lines conveying the meaning. A. You will conquer. Never fear. Try again. B. If we strive, 'tis no disgrace. See all that other folk can do. Why? With patience. May not you? D. If at first you don't succeed, try again. 3. Antonyms, opposite words from the poem. 1. Succeed, fail. 2. Punishment, reward. 3. Courage, fear. 4. Stop, quit, persevere. 5. Lose, win, conquer. 4. Answer in your own words. The lesson to always keep in mind is to keep trying again and never give up, no matter how many times you fail. B. If someone loses a race, they should try again with courage and perseverance, without feeling ashamed. C. The important quality during struggle is patience and persistent effort. D. Success has greater value when achieved with difficulty because it shows perseverance, effort, and courage. 5. What leads to success were points from poem Trying Again: courage, perseverance, striving, patience. 6. Truth or proverb-like lines from the poem. 1. If at first you don't succeed, try again. 2. If you will persevere, you will conquer, never fear. 3. If we strive, 'tis no disgrace. For all that other folk can do, why, with patience, may not you?
अगर ये वीडियो आपको यूजफुल लगा हो तो इसे लाइक करें। अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें, ताकि आपको हमारे हर नए वीडियो की खबर फौरन मिल सके। अगर आपको लगता है कि किसी और को भी इससे फ़ायदा हो सकता है तो इस वीडियो को शेयर कर दीजिए। कमेंट में हमें बताइए कि आपको अगला टॉपिक कौन सा चाहिए। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में।